Who loves to peel potatoes? I certainly don't, because how do you peel a roundish shaped potato with a peeling knife? It's not easy trying to make the angle. But there's an easy way. You can actually wash the potatoes, put it in a pot of boiling hot water, and let it simmer. Now, how do you know when it's cooked? Well, you use a knife or a fork and try and poke it through the potato. If it goes through easily, then you know that the potato is cooked. Stop the fire, let it cool down, pour away the hot water, and cover it with cold water. And you can cut a slit right round about the middle of the potato. And by just twisting the potatoes, you actually can peel the skin off very, very easily. I tried it myself and I couldn't believe how simple it was. And now I found a way to make potatoes and get them ready for my cooking session. Enjoy, and I hope you learned the trick.